Hi all. See, when we are studying entrepreneur, we come across a concept called intrapreneur. Intrapreneur is similar to entrepreneur, but only the major difference is he is working within the company. He is an employee of the company who is having innovative ideas and different methods of production, depend with methods of management. That kind of a creative capacity a person who is having, and he is working within the rules and regulations of the company, is called intrapreneur. He may not face so many risks like entrepreneur, but he can use all the resources of the company. When we see the difference between entrepreneur and intrapreneur, the major difference is entrepreneur is an employer, one who provides employment opportunity to others. But intrapreneur is an employee who is creative and he is having all the desire to perform as an entrepreneur skill. Second one, entrepreneur is he is having lot of independent, but intrapreneur is dependent on the company and the rules and regulations of the company. The third one, if you take, entrepreneur takes all the risks. Suppose he failed, the entire capital will be vanished in thin air. But it is not to be in the case of intrapreneur. Loss does not affect him that much. Then always entrepreneur needs exhibit higher need of achievement. He want to speak more and more, just like Everest. He want to speak every peak he come across. But that kind of thing doesn't need in case of entrepreneur. The reward for entrepreneur is profit. The reward for intrapreneur is attractive salary, fringe benefits, promotion, incentive, and rewards. Many entrepreneurs may not have what you call prescribed qualification. They may be school dropout, something like that. But in case of intrapreneur, they are highly qualified and working as an employee in an organization. Technically sound and technically qualified persons are intrapreneur. There is no boundary. The sky is the limit for entrepreneur, but intrapreneur there is a limit. He cannot go beyond that. The next one what we are going to see is entrepreneurship. We know what is entrepreneur. The simple definition of entrepreneurship is what the entrepreneur is doing, you can call it as entrepreneurship. It is a process of action by an entrepreneur to produce something, taking all the risks, coordinating all the factors of production and trying to sell it in the market for a profit. That the entire process of action, you can call it as entrepreneurship. That means he is taking he is bringing something new and exploiting that opportunity, accepting the risk and uncertainty and getting a reward as a profit. In simply, we can see the concept of entrepreneurship is like this: entrepreneur, entrepreneurship, and company. Entrepreneur is a person, entrepreneurship is process of action, the object is the company. Then what are the benefits of entrepreneurship to the country? That is the next topic that we are going to see. Next, benefits. If you bring more entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, ultimately result in our GDP, our national product will go up, our national income will go up. If national income increases, definitely standard of living of the people will go up. Then you can export more. If you export more, you can get more foreign exchange. If you get more foreign exchange, you can import any technology from the world, and you can use the technology to produce more and more goods and services to the nation. Ultimately, it multiples national income or total national product. Then individually, community-wise, all the people will benefited because of entrepreneurship. Wealth creation, sharing, creating more employment opportunity, balanced regional development is ultimate the result of entrepreneur and entrepreneurship.